Di malam yang kelam kami berangkat menuju tempat yang tidak berjejak. Dengan hati berdebar, rasa takut melanda. Cerita seram kini bermula. Cerita seram misi ke alam misteri, menggali kisah yang belum terungkap. Rasa cemas tapi penuh misteri, dalam gelap rahasia tersingkap.
Selamat malam. Saya adalah hos anda Kish. Cerita seram malam ini.
Okay. Sekarang kita tak tahu kita berada di mana ya. Kita berada di bawah jembatan kereta api lah.
Railway track
dekat somewhere lah.
400. Tapi ini tak ada bunyi 400. Okay. Kita dah lama tak buat video.
Lama.
Subscriber semua sihat Okay. Tak tahu tempat mana pun ni. Tapi it's like very new to us lah. Tak pernah datang 200. Tapi daripada luar tu kita masuk tu, ada something tengah bisik tau. Kau nak masuk dalam macam ni.
Maaf.
Minta maaf. Kita minta maaf.
Kalau penonton tengok ada gelap, mana boleh keluar?
Mana?
Okey. Jadi Kish, konsep terbaru kita dah adalah dapat feedback kan. Diorang nak kita berbual dalam bahasa Inggeris. Jadi kita kena try lah berbual bahasa Inggeris Okay, so I think for those of you, our viewers who are not Malays, I think all of you want us to speak in English. So yeah, definitely we're gonna try. Alright, Kishno, I think your light is actually. Can you point it to yourself instead?
Okay.
Okay.
Can see me
Yeah.
Wow, this place is too silent, very silent.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's a bit too silent I would say.
Tak nak lampu. I don't want to on my torch.
Wah, but
so now,
yeah,
it's 246 bro.
there's definitely lah.
Okay, our EMF is showing 600. Bro, going to 1000 I think. Yes, going to 1000 is 700 bro.
Okay, stop.
Okay. Okay, just now.
So Kishno, I think some of our viewers were saying that they want to see content in English language lah, because we actually have a diverse viewers now. Not only Malays are watching, but we have our Indian fans, our Chinese fans, that are watching our videos. So of course we will need to try to this one lah.
Alright. Can, no problem.
Yeah. So I think now we can't share the location that we are at lah. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
This one is like very hidden.
I think you have not filmed for a while until you are not used to the light that is flashing to you.
Yes.
Lampu dia macam terang
sangat. Lampu dia macam too bright.
Yeah.
Cannot. Bobo, situ tunjuk. Macam ada something across. Kau tengok situ. Kau tengok segitu ujung. Kau nampak lampu tu?
Cakap.
Tak. Minta maaf.
So far I don't see anything from my end lah. But
I think this mungkin benda ke atau apa lah, ataupun tak pasti.
I'm not sure whether this is a dead end lah, but seems like it is Okay, K2 start blinking already bro. You stop first.
Ni I think this one is a logi lah bro. It's a macam jangan aku tenggelam sudah bawah.
Tak ada kan?
Stop already bro.
Yeah. Right. So I think this is quite safe. So to those of you who are watching, we are actually filming full moon lah. Alright. So today is Mid-Autumn Festival. I'm not sure when this video is going to be released, but I would like to wish all celebrating a happy Mid-Autumn Festival. May you always be blessed.
Yes.
Kish, but I think now we need to be blessed by nothing disturbing us lah.
Yes.
Alright. Yeah. So I think this is an interesting location because it's quite windy. Yeah.
Okay. K2 EMF start blinking already. K2 you start blinking already. Just now when we come here it's not blinking, but now start blinking already. Okay, we try another one.
No, I think your phone is a bit too close. That's why it's blinking red in color.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone here?
Alright, so guys, you guys can see how dark it is. Yeah. What?
Biasa kita pakai yang mana This one
no, this one is the picture. The just now one also can. Yeah, I think that is suitable.
This one. Yang biasa kita we ask question then the spirit will answer. Which one
You just search ghost tube, you see come out. Yeah.
Ghost tube.
So it was actually pretty dark lah actually. Okay, we are now somewhere lah.
Okay.
Right.
Anyone here?
Okay, let's turn off the light. Okay, to those of you who have been asking, right, this app is actually readily available on your apps,
Your phone
your
apps,
App Store, your Google Store, Google Play, right? It's called Ghost Tube. So there's actually multiple varieties of it in which you guys can use lah, right? Yeah.
Anyone here? Can someone respond? If anyone around me? Test.
Huh?
Test.
Test.
Test mean apa?
I'm not sure. Test lah, ujian lah.
Okay. What is your what is your name? Sorry to ask, what is your name?
No, you see Kish, right? The thing is, right, this place is very open, but for some reason,
Yeah.
the feeling is just
It's scary.
It's
bro.
different.
It's something. It's like feels someone is just around us.
yeah. But hey, don't say that. Let me.
But it's okay lah. We not disturbing them.
Yeah.
We're not disturbing them.
So
We
if
are
you
just
guys
here
see
for the
actually
video only.
around us, all forested areas. I think they are building something here because I assume that there are actually lampposts around, but it's just that, yeah.